Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So here in this lecture, we are going to take a look at random hex color generator. Random hex color, let me write here generator. So what do you think? What it will be or how you can implement it? Remember, in our last project, we came across two methods, right? One was choice and another was choices. Yes. So the thing is, again, let's import random. Okay. Oops, what just happened? Import random. Okay. Now the thing is, let's create one function, color generator. Okay. Let's create the color, right? So let's create one variable color which will have few choices. Okay, so random dot choices this time and see. Oops. Okay, let's see what we can provide here. See, here we have an argument k, right? What is this? Return a k sized list of population elements chosen with replacement. So the choices that we want to provide are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Now the thing is, we want the size to be k. Okay, so let's write here k. We want this size to be 6, not k. We want the size to be 6 because hex color code generators have 6 letters, right? It can be either from 0 to 9 and A to F. All right. And what we want, these are the choices, and what we want 6 characters, right? So let's do one thing, let's print it. So let's print hash, right? Then color. Okay. And let me call this function color generator. Let's see. Actually, let's see. Actually, it is not what you are expecting. So after hash, it will be a list. Okay. So let's see. Let's print only color, not hash for now. Let's hit save and let's execute it. So 19, Python 19. Yeah, see here 213462. We have 6 elements in the list. This is because of k equals 6. If we provide here k equals 8, what will happen? Let's hit save. And now let's hit enter. See, it's returning 8 elements in the list. So it basically creates a list of that much elements what you mention here inside this k. So k equals number of elements, and here we have the choices. Okay, so what we want is, we want it to be 6. Now the thing is, you need to call the join function in order to join all of these as a single string. So final color, final color, what you can do is equals let's create a basic blank string dot join, and what we want it to be color. Okay, that's it. Next, let's print final color, and let's see what happens, right? See here. Now there is only one more thing that is required. You need to print here hash. That's it. Let's provide a comma. There you go. Now let's execute it. Okay, what is this? Let's provide a plus sign and let's see whether we get any where we are having this. Yeah, there you go. So is it basically because of this comma? It shouldn't be, right? Okay, so that's a new thing that I have learned today. Great. So instead, if you don't want any kind of spaces, provide plus. That's it. Let's hit save and let's generate it one more time. The thing is, here we have a shortcut actually. Final color we can provide it like this, or let me comment it. Let me comment this one also. So let me create final color at once only. So final color equals blank string dot join, and here only we can provide this. Press Ctrl C and just paste it. Now let's try to execute. There you go. Here we have random hex code generator. Okay, hex code generator, right? Hex color code generator. Yeah, let's rename it. It sounds better. Hex color code generator. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope that you have learned something, and here we have explored the choices method which is there in random. So we have seen random.randint, random.choice and random.choices. Alright, okay, so see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.